I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to remove a device from your Degiro account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Degiro account. Start by accessing your Degiro account through the official website or app. Enter your credentials to log in. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, find the Settings option in the main menu. This is usually located at the bottom of the sidebar. Step 3. Select Device Management. In the Settings menu, look for Device Management or a similar option. Click on it to view all devices linked to your account. Step 4. Choose the device to remove. From the list of devices, identify the one you want to remove. Click on the corresponding Remove or Delete button next to it. Step 5. Confirm removal. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the removal. Make sure you really want to do this, then click Yes or Confirm to finalize the action. Remember, if you accidentally remove a device, you may need to go through the login process again on that device. Good luck, and I hope this helps you manage your Degiro account more easily.